The Ducati Diavel V4 has always been a bit of a paradox, a cruiser with the heart of a superbike. For 2025, Ducati leans into this duality, offering a machine that's both more powerful and more refined. The headline news is the introduction of a new, black Roadster livery, giving the Diavel an even more aggressive and sophisticated aesthetic. The black Roadster livery is more than just a simple paint job. It's a complete visual overhaul that emphasizes the Diavel's muscular lines and imposing presence. The matte black finish is accented by dark brown and red highlights, creating a sinister yet elegant look. Ducati's attention to detail is evident in the bronze-colored forks and exhaust, which add a touch of class to the overall design. At the heart of the Diavel V4 beats Ducati's formidable 1158cc V4 Granturismo engine. This power plant delivers a staggering 168 horsepower and 93 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most potent cruisers on the market. The engine's power delivery is smooth and linear, making it easy to manage in everyday riding, yet exhilarating when unleashed on the open road. The Diavel V4 is packed with advanced technology, including a 5-inch TFT display, cornering knobs, traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and cruise control. These features enhance both the riding experience and the rider's safety, making the Diavel V4 a capable and confidence-inspiring machine. Despite its performance credentials, the Diavel V4 doesn't compromise on comfort. The riding position is relaxed and upright, with a comfortable seat and well-placed handlebars. The suspension is tuned to provide a smooth and controlled ride, even on rough roads. The 2025 Ducati Diavel V4 is expected to be available at dealerships in early 2025. Pricing has not yet been announced, but it is expected to be in line with the current model. The 2025 Ducati Diavel V4 is a stunning evolution of an already impressive machine. With its new black Roadster livery, powerful V4 engine, and advanced technology, the Diavel V4 is poised to continue its reign as the king of the power cruiser segment.